Welcome to Psychoway's YouTube channel. Subscribe, like and share for more knowledge for your future. Today let us know about mean, mode and median, measures of central tendency in statistics. Measures of central tendency are helpful tools for understanding a set of data by identifying a single value that represents its center. Three of the most common and useful measures of central tendency are 1. Mean, also known as the average. The mean is calculated by adding up all the values in a dataset and then dividing by the total number of values. It essentially represents the balance point of the data, where all the values are evenly distributed above and below it. 2. Median. The median is the middle value in a dataset arranged in ascending or descending order. If the dataset has an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle values. 3. Mode. The mode is the most frequent value that appears in a dataset. A dataset can have one mode, unimodal, two modes, bimodal, or even more, multimodal, depending on the frequency distribution of its values. Here's a table summarizing the key points. Measure description example mean sum of all values divided by the number of values mean salary in a company equals salary of A plus salary of B plus number of employees median middle value in an ordered dataset median age of students in a class. If ordered youngest to oldest, the median age is the age of the student in the middle mode most frequent value mode of shoe size in a group. The size that appears the most frequently export to sheets choosing the most appropriate measure of central tendency depends on the characteristics of your data. For instance, the mean is sensitive to extreme values, outliers, while the median is not. So, if your data has outliers, the median might be a better choice. Understanding and applying these measures effectively allows you to gain valuable insights into the central tendency of your data, facilitating further analysis and interpretation. Choosing the right measure. Sensitivity to outliers. As mentioned earlier, the mean is sensitive to outliers, extreme values, in the data. A single outlier can significantly skew the mean, making it less representative of the typical value. The median, on the other hand, is not affected by outliers, making it a better choice for datasets with outliers. Skewness. If the data is skewed, tilted towards one side, the mean and the median may not be the same. Skewed data can have a long tail of extreme values in one direction. In such cases, both the mean and the median can be helpful in understanding the data. Number of modes. A dataset can have multiple modes, bimodal or multimodal, indicating multiple values with the highest frequency. This can happen when the data has distinct clusters or peaks. Additional points. Weighted measures. Sometimes, data points have different weights assigned to them based on their importance or relevance. This can be incorporated into the calculation of the mean, but not the median or mode. Visualizing central tendency. Histograms and box plots are helpful tools to visualize the distribution of data and understand the relationship between the mean, median, and mode. Real-world applications. Mean, used to calculate average income, exam scores, or product prices. Median, used to determine the typical house price in a neighborhood or the central age of a population. Mode, used to identify the most popular clothing size or the most commonly chosen feature in a product survey. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each measure, you can effectively choose the one that best summarizes the central tendency of your data and provides the most relevant information for your analysis. Thanks you for joining us. For more videos, please subscribe today. Bye.